Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. Let's continue to part 3 now. One more thing, Windows Vista has 6 features. Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, Business, Enterprise, and Ultimate. Same on the other hand, one feature is different, that is Professional, instead of Business. Now at the final stage, Windows 8 is kind of 8th generation of Windows released on October 26, 2012. Instead of icons, there are apps like on a smartphone devices. The whole background is displayed as a start menu. Windows 8.1, on the second hand, released on October 17, 2013, without the Windows symbol on the taskbar and same background as a start menu. And Windows 10 on the other hand, codenamed Threshold and later Redstone, released on July 29, 2015. A number of new features like Cortana to say by voice, the Microsoft Edge web browser, the ability to view Windows Store apps as a window instead of full screen, virtual desktops, revamped core apps, Continuum, and a unified settings app were all features debuted in Windows 10. The 10th generation Windows is now present. Thanks for the entire history. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.